Truuce makes laundry day breezy with our quick change sheets and duvet cover. Let's take a minute to make your bed with the Truuce bedding system. Find the navigation patch on your fitted sheet. The patch goes at the foot of the bed. Slip the fitted sheet over your mattress. The Truuce fitted sheet stays on better than any sheet you've ever had. Next, lay the top sheet over the bed with the zipper at the foot of the bed and the navigation patch facing up. Zip the top sheet to the fitted sheet. Next, simply place your duvet on your top sheet. The top sheet becomes the bottom of your duvet cover. Put the duvet cover over the duvet and use the snaps to affix the duvet corners. Zip the top sheet and the duvet cover together. Fold the extra top sheet fabric over the duvet. Slide your pillows into the cases and tuck them into the envelope fabric inside so they don't slip out. Place your pillows and do your best to stay out of your luxe cozy nest until bedtime. Or don't, we won't judge. Truuce. Everything about bedding made smarter.